Okay, here was our special of the day today, and it's sold. It's unit number 5583, and it's a Summit 2-bedroom double loft. It's tan with tan corners, white siding, white trim, white shutters. It should start over there. Tan with white windows, brown shutters. There we go. Tan with white windows and brown shutters. There's the house type rear entry door. MSRP on this was $56,000, and we sold it for quite a bit less than that. It's a 2-bedroom. Had some sliding pocket doors in the front here. That's a queen bed. Room for a TV on the wall. Nice big wardrobe. So there's one bedroom. Then you have a sleeper sofa. That was a sleeper sofa. You have storage under the 3-person bench there at the dining area. Storage under the seats. We had plank flooring through the entire main floor. There's carpeting in the master bedroom and loft only. So there's your linoleum carried way out to the front. Pocket doors. Okay. This will have your 24-inch range and microwave and range hood. It's got your standard bath, which we should be able to see in there pretty good. You've got a tub and a shower, vanity with storage under it, medicine cabinet. Behind the shower, next to the tub, you have a linen closet with shelving. I don't know that you can see the shelving in there, but that's the linen closet. Kitchen again. Heading back to the rear, you step down into the master bedroom, which gives you a 5-foot loft. You got a great big loft in here because you step down a foot into the master bedroom. There's the step down. Now we go up the stairs. And the rear loft will measure in at 5 foot. And the front loft here, about 44 inches. Thereabouts. You want to know precisely, come and measure it. Be glad to show it to you. Okay, so that's the same size as the master bedroom, because this is the area over the master bedroom. And then you've got roughly a king size area over here with the closet, small closet. Okay. So heading on downstairs. This is supposed to be a sold trailer, but I never count my chickens till they're hatched. This is the 2-bedroom Summit 2019 2-bedroom. 2-bedroom double loft. Thanks for watching my video. Call Kelly at 815-849-9089 if you have any questions.